Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial video, we will be learning how we can report a user in Hinge app. So for this, firstly you have to locate Hinge in your mobile device and open it. And once you have opened the app, you can see persons to whom you want to report. If you find someone offensive or if they have done something which is report worthy, click on the three dots option which is located at the side of the person's name. Once you click on it, you can see an option saying report. So just click on it again. And now you have to select the reason why you want to report the user. Moreover, you get other options which you have to click in order to report the person. Once you have selected all the options, you can further elaborate why you want to report, and this is an optional option which you can skip as well. Just click on the submit option which is at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you have clicked on it, you have reported the person successfully. Finally, click on done. And if this video was helpful for you guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.